is actually really frowned in Japan. It goes against the traditional concept of ikiru, which means to live.
Every 60 seconds in Japan, a minute passes.
YouTuber. Huh?
Me. Alexa, remind me to go to the gym. Alexa, I have added Jin to shopping list.
Derp, my 18-year-old son dated a 13-year-old.
Does anyone know how to remove this black from the screen?
Switch to Michael.
Might lose my V card. Any advice?
Just breathe when they put it in.
If you mean when they put it in.
LeBron, can you pay for my college tuition?
Fill my holes with a sperm.
Oh my god, how do you make this?